where you're planted. It's a saying that truly reflects the life of the first African-American prosecutor in Jackson County, Missouri.
And she's a Kansas City native and our Next Project community champion. I spoke exclusively to Melissa Johnson about making history.
It's difficult to walk into a courtroom where people are about to be arraigned or have, pretrial hearings, and they're in orange jumpsuits and handcuffs, and the vast majority of them look like your brother, look like your uncle, look like your sister, look like your aunt.
Moments Melissa Johnson says she never takes lightly. Down this street in the city's Oak Park neighborhood around 35th and Prospect is where Johnson grew up, an area known for violent crimes.
I had a beautiful childhood. Yes, it contained some moments of despair. Yes, I've lost some friends to gun violence, some team members that I grew up running track with, but I feel so privileged, especially to be in the position that I'm in now.
Johnson not only beat the odds, but stereotypes placed on young black women. She was curious about how laws and lawyers were the forefront of change. So she went to Columbia University, majoring in political science and then graduating from law school.
What happened after that was starting my legal career right here where we are sitting as an assistant Jackson County prosecutor under Gene Peters Baker's administration.
Just 10 years later, with her mom and sister by her side, Johnson became the first black woman elected as Jackson County prosecutor.
Some people were not ready to hear that from a prosecutorial candidate, even though the vast majority of people that find themselves victimized or committing a crime are people of color.
I hope that it really shines through the relationship that she's building with all people that helps her to not only win, but helps her to succeed in this role.
With her professional experiences and how violence has touched her own life, Johnson says it became a call of duty.
Assisted outpatient treatment.
I'm a very empathetic person, but I need everybody to understand that empathy does not mean soft. Empathy does not mean turning a blind eye to people that are wreaking havoc on our community, on our business owners, on this place that we belovingly call home.
Now, Johnson says there's still a lot of work to do. Her office has ramped up the amount of prosecutions for drug crimes. She has also started a property crimes unit that will ultimately be staffed with law students.